working on a heat shield, and we got it from our friends at Cobb. My car didn't come with a heat shield, so we're gonna go with an aftermarket one. I was gonna buy an OEM one, but there's no point in that. So, and I also have aftermarket, while I also have a Grimspeed downpipe. So we decided to go with the Cobb heat shield. I also didn't have brackets to the heat shield. The car didn't come with any brackets or anything, so I had to order one. I'm missing one more, but I'm just gonna put this one on to hold it down. It's supposed to, I think, the downpipe. I'm gonna take this off. This is the part number, by the way. Alright, so if I'm not mistaken, if you're looking at the turbo from the front of the car, it should go like this. See? This is supposed to be on the side, towards the driver's side, and these are the two bolts where the heat shield should bolt onto, and right here should be the downpipe nuts. So we got that, and there's one that goes in by the bottom to the passenger side. It connects to the up pipe, and that one also has a bolt. Well, has a hole for the screw, has a hole for the bolt to go in. I don't have that, so we're just gonna rock out with this for now. Okay, so as soon as you open it, so this is it. Oh, that space over there. Has a nice finish to it. It says Cobb on it right there. Boop. Pretty nice. Pretty happy about this. You know, small things. These are the bolts it comes with. I'm assuming one goes to the side, which is that gold one, and washers go on all three. Okay, cool. Oh, cool. Give me a plate frame too. Awesome. But I have my own plate frame and stickers. And who packaged it? Steve. Thank you, Steve. Okay, so what I'm going to do is kind of put this together, because I think, well, let me double check, because I don't have anything on the car. So I'm assuming I can bolt the heat shield on to the bracket and then just bolt the bracket back up with the two nuts without doing the extra steps. So this is it. Okay, so these little flaps in the back is for the back. So it's gonna be like this, looking towards you, and this is the front of it. So with that little opening is the front. How I know that is because there's a spot right here for one of the nuts, and there's two spots here for the other two nuts on the side, towards the driver's side. So this is supposed to go inside, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, that's gonna be hard. Oh wait, yeah, that's gonna be hard. I might have to do this first. So I'll be back for that.